Hi, NWRThomas25 here, and for today, we're going to review and unbox Diesel 10 from the Thomas Motor Road and Rail System. So, this is the box. There's Diesel 10 with the Motor Rail and Road logo. The side, which shows what's inside the box. The other side of the box, the top part, and the back. It says here includes a C-size battery, and it is copyrighted 2005. And yeah, there's the layout and another promo picture of Diesel 10. So I'll get out now Diesel 10. So we can look him closely. Okay, he's now out of the box, and inside the box it includes the instructions to put the batteries. Let's open it up. It just shows some of the engines, how to put batteries in it, and yeah. Now let's take a look closely at Diesel 10. Diesel 10, he was first released sometime in 2000 to coincide with the Thomas and the Magic Railroad movie. He was first released in a special box with the Thomas and the Magic Railroad movie art. Then later on, released with the Motor Road and Railroad packaging that is seen earlier. And he was also released by Mattel. His Diesel 10's face, you can see, is menacing, like in the model itself in the movie. He's really highly detailed. The sides, the top, there's the switch on and off, and there's pinchy. Yeah, it can open and close. Sadly, it's not movable because it's fixed there. The back, which I already detailed with the red buffer beam and the red lights. And the bottom side, let's see. It just says 2004 copyright to Lane Thomas Limited, the Tomy logo, and 2000 Tomy made in Thailand. I think in the earlier releases it just says their Magic Railroad Company and 2000 copyright, but it was replaced afterwards. So yeah, that's Diesel 10. Let's look at the tracks, the rolling stock included. It's just some regular troublesome trucks painted in Diesel 10's colors. You can see it's just their faces there, which has Diesel 10's color and the stripes color. I think this is a colored, I think brown or gold, something like that, and with white or light gray stripes. Yeah, it's just the same tracks. Diesel 10, first run, off you go. Overall, Diesel 10 is a great toy to have. He's a 10 out of 10 for me. He's a great Diesel for your collection if you ever decide to get him. He's still available today in Parallel, and he was available in the motorized Truckmaster range before, but I think it's now discontinued. So your only chance to get now is the Parallel one. The new Larry release has a minor difference from what I've seen online. The only thing that was different is raised eyebrow, so it looks less menacing than this one. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it to others. And see you next time for another review.